Today we're going to talk about how to use the Snap&Read Chrome extension within PearDeck. Because of the way PearDeck treats text on a slide, we can't use our typical speak button. If we press our speak button here, I have my Snap&Read open, I press my speak button, and usually when I go and click on text,
plus add another response,
I'll hear what's right under the cursor read out loud. However, PearDeck isn't treating this as true text, so I can't use my speak button. However, right below my speak button is a screenshot reader. And so that is the tool that we want to use. So we're going to click on that screenshot reader, and then we get these crosshairs. And now we can select any text on this page and have it read to us.
Did you learn from the homework?
You noticed as soon as I released my mouse, Snap&Read started processing the text that I selected here. If I want to hear it again, I could then click up here and in my box.
What did you learn from the homework?
When I'm all done reading this section, before I can read anything else, I need to close out of it by clicking on that X. Now, if I want to read my prompt over here on the right-hand side, I can go back to my screenshot reader and again draw a box around what I want read.
Answer here.
And you could see it took just a minute after I let go of my cursor, after I drew that box, before it started speaking. That's okay, just be patient. It will eventually speak that. So now I can close this out. I have to close it out before I'm able to type in my box. So let's go ahead and close it. And then just want to make sure you know that co-writer will work too, so I can turn this on. And now I can use co-writer to type within here if I want.